Hey there! So, imagine this scenario. You're trying to put your Mac to sleep, but the usual keyboard shortcut just doesn't seem to be working anymore. Frustrating, right? Well, don't worry, we got a solution for this problem that might just save the day. In the world of Mac keyboards with Touch ID sensors instead of power eject keys, the traditional sleep keyboard shortcut is no longer effective. But fear not, you can still buy keyboards with a media eject key, which seems to be the key to unlocking the sleep shortcut on your Mac. It's clear that Apple has made this distinction. So if you're in need of a quick way to put your Mac to sleep, having a physical media eject key might just be the answer you're looking for. Solution: you have the option to create a sleep shortcut and assign it to any keyboard combination that suits your preferences, except for the power button, of course. Whether it's adding the shortcut to the menu bar, the dock, or even triggering it through Siri or other means, you can find a workaround that fits your needs. The keyboard settings in the System Preferences app allow you to define the sleep action to any shortcut you desire, giving you the freedom to customize your Mac experience to your liking. To wrap it all up, remember that even though the traditional sleep keyboard shortcut may no longer be available, there are ways to work around this inconvenience and still put your Mac to sleep with ease. Whether you opt for a keyboard with a media eject key or choose to create a custom shortcut, there's always a solution to every problem. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment with your thoughts. We always enjoy hearing from you.